Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Poco phone guys phone sleep time guys, how to increase it. So friends, your Poco phone just sleep minute and second. So when how to increase Poco phone sleep time today friends, I will tell you in this video how to increase phone sleep time on Poco phone. Friend, first we will on phone setting to increase phone sleep time. So guys, phone setting we will on it. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your Poco mobile. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on your lock screen and always on display setting, tap here. So friends, you can see your Poco phone is always on display setting, notification effects, raise to wake, double tap and sleep setting. So guys, click on sleep setting and you can increase guys your phone sleep time from here. So friends, we will click on guys Poco phone guys. Phone sleep time guys, we will increase into 5 minutes. So friends, come back. So friends, you can see after 15 seconds guys, phone will not sleep guys, wait and watch. So friends, your phone sleep time has increased on your Poco phone. So guys, when you will not tap for your 5 minutes, then guys your phone will sleep automatic. You will not tap. Friends, you can see 15 seconds, phone will not sleep on Poco mobile guys. So I hope friends you understood how to increase phone sleep time, and guys you can increase guys your search bar also. Open your search bar and guys search your sleep setting. Guys sleep setting is tap here. Direct friends you can increase your phone sleep time from here 10 minute, 5 minutes, 2 minute you can increase from here. So guys you will increase for 10 minutes. So guys when you will not tap for 10 minutes on your Poco phone screen, so friends your phone will automatic sleep, and guys you will tap your time will start continue. So like that guys, we can increase guys Poco phone like phone sleep time. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.